In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GTA 5 failed to initialize error with code 1005. Method 1. Restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Method 2. Run GTA 5 as administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut or exe file. Select Run as administrator. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your router if needed. Method 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it as it might block game servers. Method 5. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library, right-click GTA 5, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let the process finish, and then try launching the game again. Method 6. Update Rockstar Launcher. Make sure your Rockstar Games Launcher is up to date. If not, update or reinstall it. Method 7. Allow firewall access. Open your firewall settings. Allow GTA 5 and Rockstar Launcher through the firewall. Method 8. Reinstall the game if nothing works. Uninstall GTA 5. Download and reinstall it fresh. Thanks for watching. If this helped fix your error, please like and subscribe for more GTA 5 tips and fixes.